The world is moving forward rapidly. To match up to its fast pace, you need to be in a profession that ensures financial stability and remains sustainable with time. A wise choice for graduation after school with science subjects can be instrumental in your future growth trajectory. Imagine a field that covers almost all major branches of engineering: civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical and electronics. It even incorporates cutting-edge technologies like robotics and artificial intelligence. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it exists, and it is agricultural engineering. This discipline of engineering has produced business leaders, policy formulators, international consultants, machine designers, and even prominent industrialists. It caters to India's largest employment sector, agriculture, the backbone of life. Farmers have been working tirelessly in harsh conditions to grow food, and agricultural engineers make their lives easy, safe, and comfortable. Now also diversifying into food processing, soil water management, and environment protection. Agricultural engineering in India was founded in 1942 by Dr. Mason Waugh. These extraordinary engineers have been the unsung heroes of India's green revolution, being instrumental in India's metamorphosis from the days of ship to mouth to now exporting agri-produce worth more than $40 billion. Thanks to agricultural engineering, we now have advanced field preparation equipment, micro-irrigation systems, soil conservation techniques, combine harvesters, renewable energy technology, environment-controlled greenhouse structures, and state-of-the-art remote sensors. The future demand for agricultural engineers and technologists is phenomenal. Agricultural engineers are also equipped to handle challenges like climate change and resource scarcity. Agricultural engineering is a field of boundless opportunities and profound impact. It's a career path that not only promises personal growth and financial stability, but also offers the chance to make a real difference in the world.